It's your girl Leilani Love, and I'm here at the Alipearl Store in NYC. Today is our first episode of the Alipearl Store show. And today we're going to be talking about watercoloring your wig and protecting your lace. So what you're going to need is whatever color you're going to use, a gotta be spray, and of course a bucket. So make sure you stay tuned for some tips and tricks. After we watercolor the wig, we're going to do a little bit of styling, and you want to stay tuned for our next episode where we're going to do an install. Okay, so you just want to make sure that it's fully dry. Our lace is fully dry now, so we can start the watercoloring process. Today we're going to be using Gotta Be spray or hairspray to protect our lace. You can also do this with clear gel or conditioner. You just have to dry it first and make sure you have like a hard crust. So I'm just going to spray thin layers across the lace. Not so thin. And I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool air and dry it. So you want to make sure that you stir your watercolor up. I had hot water and I added some Adore to it. To avoid staining your lace, I would not use Adore because it's kind of concentrated, but hey, it's going to do the job today. So first you're going to start by dipping your wig in and out, and then you're going to want to take a wide tip comb and comb through to make sure that the color is evenly distributed. Okay, so I'm going to take a comb and just comb it through. As you can see, the color is already picking up. So the more you dip it, the more concentrated your color is going to be. Okay, so now we have the color that we desire. So if you want a little bit darker, you can keep dipping it, but this is the color that we're going to stay at. And as you can see, our lace is fully protected. Can we get into this color though? So yes, our water color was very successful. As you can see, it did not stain our lace. So now we're going to move on to styling. Whenever you blow dry colored hair, you're going to want to use a heat protectant. We're going to use the Neuro. This is going to help protect our color style and make sure it doesn't fade while we blow dry. Just gonna spray it evenly and then brush it through. Now we're gonna move to our blow drying. I'm gonna put my blow dryer on cool air because I don't want to take away the color. But you can also use heat if you like. So now that we've finished blow drying, we make sure the hair is completely dry. We're gonna start styling. So when you style, you're gonna want to use the proper products. You're always gonna make sure you use heat protectant when you're using heat tools. I'm going to spray it evenly across the hair, and then I'm going to brush it in. You can also add a product for shine. This is the Super Skinny by Paul Mitchell. Alright, now we're going to move to the styling portion. We're going to section out a small piece of hair and use the Sebastian Shaper Plus. This is one of my favorite holding sprays because it is not stiff and it gives you a nice flexible hold. You're going to spray lightly and comb it through. We're going to take our Pro Tools by Paul Mitchell and we're just going to give it a quick curl. Alright guys, here we have the final look. Isn't she pretty? Do you guys think we should call her strawberry shortcake or fruit punch? Let us know a cute name in the comments down below. And make sure you guys join us on our next episode of the Alipearl Store Show, where we're going to do a full install.